Yeah, you people can see the Annie. She's carrying like 15 kgs of bag, and we are getting into the bus. So this is a bus. So we are heading to the bag. We keep the bags.
Ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Yeah,
Excited to sleep.
Excited to sleep.
I hope it's comfortable.
Yeah, we are waiting for the keep our bags inside this one. Huh?
Lotus Indian bus is comfortable to sleep in.
Yeah, it will be more comfortable.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Lotus, where have you brought me today?
I brought you to the biryani, that famous biryani.
We're gonna have biryani. The biryani is really good. It's quite spicy for so early in the morning, but I really enjoyed it. And yeah, let's see what Lotus has in store for me next. It's been like loads of planning, loads of like traditional stuff, and like just doing like real Indian stuff, I guess. So it's been great. It's really a nice experience. Like, I think in general India has just been surprising me through and through. Like, the people are super nice, so I'm loving it. I'm like filling my lips sweaty because I didn't even, there's probably so much curry in my teeth.
So we are going in, huh, honey? Yes? Yeah, let's go. Finally. Yeah. In the open. Yeah, in the open. Yeah. Ah, sleeper bus. I'm liking it.
Yes.
Be careful.
You know which better ours?
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah.
so
We're in the last, okay?
Last,
So this
yeah.
one, this is your bed, and that's my bed. Okay. Do you like it?
yes, I
It's
love
very
it.
big, right? better than the dormitory.
It's much better than the
hostel.
hostel we slept in. So yeah, I'm excited.
So this is an Indian bus, and it's very luxury.
First time, so I'm super excited.
Super excited. Okay. What do we have in the bus? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have?
I think it's a washroom.
It's a washroom. Did you see any time in the bus in the washroom?
Not a washroom, like I don't know how. Maybe is it a washroom? I'm not sure, but I've never seen a washroom in the bus.
Yeah, you can see. Fine.
Okay, so we are now, I think, 4 hours in. What has happened in 4 hours? We had a tire burst. Loth, have you ever burst a tire when on a bus in India?
It's my past.
It burst a tire, and then we were stopped by the police. They had like an intense, I think, alcohol search. And yeah, so now it's going well. Everything is fine. Surviving. This bus driver drives like crazy. 10 hours left. So let's hope I sleep now. I'll work a bit, and then let's hope I sleep now.
In the morning.
See you in the morning.
Ordering gate. Yeah, same Annie. Where are we now?
So it's been a long night on the bus, and we are in Bangalore.
Yeah, we got into the Indian roads. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು.
And Lois is negotiating price with the taxi driver. So
the auto driver.
Yeah.
So what was the bus experience?
It was very crazy.
Very crazy?
Yeah.
See, it's in the morning, like 7 a.m. It's slow traffic.
It's crazy, yeah. No, and the bus, I slept, so that's at least something, but it was crazy. And it's just, I'm still waking up, but it's been crazy.
Okay. Cool. So let us wait for the adventure.
Yes.
Huh? Yeah.
Everything is adventure, like everything.
Everything is new one. Yeah.
Excited.
So these guys, South African guys who are watching the videos, this is the Indian roads, the Bangalore, the metro cities. Hey mom, no, send back.
Station. A lot of crazy.
Capturing here.
Okay, why?
Because this is the government place, right?
Okay, so first, like real, well, Goa was also touristy, but like I like this. The railway station kind of has a European feel to it. So, but here we go. We excited for the next few days. Are you ready, Lois?
Yes, people are staring us.
Everyone is staring at us. Travel, Lois, is our train gonna look like the one that just stopped here?
Yeah. No. It's not our train.
Are we traveling in luxury?
Yeah,
Let me show you. It's like a lot of people on that train. You better hope I get luxury.
Yeah, we are getting the luxury.
I need to work.
Like 6 hours, we can travel.
So Lois only travels literally with 2 kgs.
Like
So,
2.5 kgs, that's all.
okay, so what happens when you're traveling to other countries?
They're gonna kill me in the airport, you know?
No! Explain.
People in the immigration, they're gonna ask me like, for how many days you go? I'll say like 15 to 30 days. They're gonna say me that for 30 days, just you're carrying like 2 kgs. They're gonna shock and they're gonna ask me why, where. They're gonna call and go for immigration office. They're gonna ask me questions. They're gonna say me to wait like 30 to 1 hour. So yeah, it will be like doubtable for them also. Like for 30 to 15 days, just you're carrying like 3 dresses. That's all. That's the main question for them. I need to prove them I can survive in those clothes. I need to prove them. Then only they're gonna let me go, let me board my flight.
So
that's every day, every time, whenever I'm flying, that's a big problem for me. People have been carrying like me, maybe it was like a normal thing for them. Girls carry more or boys gonna carry more?
No, you definitely carry less than me. But we'll see the difference, and I'll show you the benefit of maybe traveling with a bit more clothes. Like I get like
now it's like hectic, like carrying 15 kgs like every time whenever you're traveling. That's will be like horrible, right? Like 3 kgs just you can throw. You don't need to worry about your backpack. That's all. Yeah.
Let's see. This is mine. That is his, and I've got 2 more.
That's all. Like 2 kgs.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I think his equipment weighs more than his clothes.
I need the shower. For shower everything, I need only my camera. That's enough. I don't need my backpack.
Okay, good. Let's see. Is this the luxury train? Lower.
What's number C1?
Yeah.
It's not soft, okay?
How long does it stop for?
5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, it's long.
Very long.
And which side are we? Don't you want to like jump in and then we just Getting. Sorry. It looks like me. What numbers are we? Mine.
Yeah.
Thanks. Do you like chai?
Yeah, I like chai. Not that.
What are they bringing now, Lauren? What's that? Coffee. Maybe we should have some coffee. When he comes again, we can get me some coffee.
Maybe next time.
He's gonna come again. Chai tea. You. No. Am I embarrassing you?
We're carrying a lot.
My office.
No, no, ಇದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಇದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಇದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗು
Handbag,
Huh?
office,
Huh?
and house.
So let's go down.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Give me the laptop back for me.
Hey everyone, we are now in the beautiful Detour. I can't pronounce the name still. I'm here and we are now going there. And but we first want to say thank you so much for watching. This is what you can expect I'm gonna show you around the whole town, and but before we get there, let's go on a little detour back to South Africa in my next episode. So I'll see you guys soon. Love you.